Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of 8 to the power of square root of 2 over square root of 2 to the power of square root of 8. In the first step, this square root of 8 is 2 to the power of 3. So it will be 2 to the power of 3 to the power of square root of 2 over square root of 2, and this 8 is 4 times 2. And in the next step, this is 2 to the power of 3 to the power of square root of 2 over square root of 2 to the power of square root of 4 times 2 is also, also the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. And this is the square root of 4 is 2, and this is the square root of 2. So the square root of 4 times 2 is 2 times the square root of 2. So it will be a square root of 2 to the power of 2 times the square root of 2. And as you know, if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is a to the power of m times n. And also, the square root of a is equal to a to the power of 1 over 2. So in here, this is 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3, and this square root is 2 to the power of 1 over 2, and this is the power of 1 over 2, and to the power of this square root of 2. So in here, if we write this square root as the power of 1 over 2, and also in here, 2 to the power of this square root 1 over 2, and to the power of 2 times the square root of 2, 2 square root of 2. In the next step, it will be, from this formula, we can multiply these powers, so it will be 2 to the power of 3 times 1 over 2 times square root of 2 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 2 the square root of 2. These 2 will cancel these 2, and it will be 2 to the power of square root of 2. And it will be 2, this times this times this, it will be 3 square root of 2 over 2 over 2 square root of to the power of square root of 2. And if we have a to the power of m over a to the power of n, it will be a to the power of m minus n. We can subtract these powers, and it will be, in here we can write the base are same as we have here and here, 2 to the power of 3 square root of 2 over 2 minus this square root of 2. And this is equal to 2 to the power of 3 square root of 2 over 2 minus, we can write square root of 2 like 2 times square root of 2 over 2. This is also a square root of 2. These 2 we can cancel this, and it will be square root of 2. and it will be 2 to the power of 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2 is the square root of 2 over 2. And also this is 2 to the power of 1 over 2 times square root of 2. And the power of 1 over 2 is square root. So we can write these 1 over 2 as square root and square root of 2 to the power of this square root of 2. And this is our final answer for this problem. So it will be square root of 2 to the power of square root of 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.